Hey, Roger here. Let me ask you something. Do you ever hear a ringing, buzzing, or humming sound in your ears when there's no noise around you? You try to ignore it, but it's always there. Especially at night when things are quiet, it feels like the sound is louder than ever. I used to deal with that 24/7, and for a while, I just accepted it as something I'd have to live with forever. But then I came across something called Tinnitrol, and it completely changed my day-to-day life. Most people think tinnitus is caused by loud noise or hearing damage, and while that can play a part, the real root cause of chronic ringing in the ears often runs much deeper. Here's what the latest research shows. Inflammation in the auditory nerve disrupts signals between your ears and brain. Oxidative stress causes damage to nerve endings inside your ear canal. Toxin buildup interferes with neural pathways responsible for sound processing. Lack of blood flow and nutrients to the brain reduces your brain's ability to filter phantom sounds. The result? You hear ringing, buzzing, or hissing all day and night. It messes with your sleep, focus, and peace of mind. You feel irritated, anxious, or even hopeless at times. And the worst part? Most conventional treatments just mask the symptoms without ever fixing the root issue. That's why I turned to Tinnitrol. So what exactly is Tinnitrol? Tinnitrol is a natural hearing support formula made specifically for people dealing with chronic tinnitus. It's designed to target the underlying causes of ear ringing, not just temporarily suppress the noise. Here's what's inside this powerful blend. Ginkgo biloba improves blood circulation to the brain and inner ear, helping reduce ringing. Garlic extract, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps relieve pressure in the auditory canal. Zinc, deficiency in this mineral is directly linked to tinnitus symptoms. Vitamin B12 and B6 support nerve health and reduce the misfiring of auditory signals. Green tea extract and olive leaf combat oxidative stress that damages hearing cells. Tinnitrol is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility in the USA, using only non-GMO, natural ingredients. No drugs, no side effects, just real support from the inside out. After using Tinnitrol consistently, here's what I personally experienced. The ringing in my ears started to fade, especially in quiet environments. I could fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. I felt more focused and less irritable during the day. My mind felt calmer. I wasn't constantly distracted by the noise anymore. The best part? I didn't need expensive treatments, sound machines, or prescriptions. I just gave my body what it actually needed to heal. Here's the thing. Tinnitus rarely goes away on its own, and if you ignore it, it can lead to worsening symptoms, hearing loss, sleep problems, anxiety, and even depression. I wish I had started sooner, but I'm glad I didn't wait any longer, because now I've taken back control, and you can too. One of the main reasons I felt confident trying Tinnitrol. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. You can try it out for 60 full days, and if you're not happy with the results, you can get your money back. No questions asked. That told me they truly stand behind what they've created. So, would I recommend Tinnitrol? 100% yes. If you're tired of that constant noise in your ears, if it's affecting your sleep, your focus, or your sanity, Tinnitrol might be exactly what you need. But here's my advice. Go for the 3 or 6 bottle option. Why? Because tinnitus relief takes time. Your nervous system and hearing pathways need consistency. Plus, you'll save more and avoid running out just as things are starting to improve. Click the link below to grab your supply of Tinnitrol today. Trust me, your ears and your peace of mind will thank you.